Hey guys, they will meet up one more time. Today I'm going to talk with you about our company profile, about PCS Global, Paid Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. We are 10 years IT company in today's job market, okay, and we are a mid-level company. So today I'm going to show you our company profile, okay. So let's get start the session, guys. So as you can see, our company name is PCS Global Private Limited. It's an ISO certified company. Okay. The tagline of PCS Global is inspiring youth mind. The ISO certification number is 9001 2008 certified company. Welcome to Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Our head office is located in Primac Tower, DN36 Sector 5. Okay. So what is the topics today I'm going to discuss with you. That is origin of PCS Global, growth of PCS Global, about PCS Global, from where PCS Global started working. That is the origin of PCS Global. From where growth of PCS Global, about PCS Global. And what is the mission and vision of PCS Global? Domains we work, area and technology we work, career and benefits at PCS Global, career scope at PCS Global, problem of freshers. That is very interesting thing, and that is we need to discuss because it's a problem for our freshers. Okay, so and the solution for freshers, everyone needs a professional mentor. Turn your passion in a career, fun activities in PCS Global, and from where you can get about the details about us. So the first thing is growth of PCS Global Private Limited. In the year of 2010, PCS Global started its journey with a single telecom receptionist and a single developer. In the year of 2010, from a two-seated office at Kasba, Kolkata, the initial name was the Professional Tutors. The first receptionist's name is Rajastri Chakraborty and the first developer's name is Dipayan Dashgupta. The growth of PCS Global Private Limited. PCS Global started a new journey with its own office at Kolkata Kasba. In the year of 2012, the initial name of the company was Professional Consultancy Services. The first designated HR of PCS Global is Madhurima Datta. She has joined with us in 2012. And the second one is Shreyashi Das. She was an unpressed BTech ECE graduate in the year of 2012. During her 1 year tenure, she helped 150 plus freshers to start their careers through PCS Global. First ever promoted company to social media platform. First ever she promoted our company in social media platform. Finally, she joined TCS Kolkata in September in the year of 2013. Origin of PCS Global. In the year of 2013, during 2012 and 2013, around 150 plus associates joined at PCS Global. PCS Global was promoted to private limited company on 9th September 2013. We started a new journey in our company history. Origin of PCS Global Private Limited. In the year of 2014, we promoted to an ISO certified company on 9th April 2014. Company created head office at Marlin Infinite Solid Sector 5. We initiated workshop, internship and skill development program also. Origin of PCS Global Private Limited. In the year of 2015, we spread its services out to across West Bengal. In the year of 2016, company enlisted Ministry of Human Resource Department. In the year of 2017, company wins first central government project, that is www.boptr.gov.in. In the year of 2018, we started office at Koramangala, Bengaluru. In the year of 2019, we spread services across pan-India basis. Engagement of 1,150 plus associates since inception. We started work with government projects. PCS Global Private Limited visit government and private college for college recruitment and campus drive. In the year of 2020, we started dealing with overseas clients, dealing with Nuance Medical College in Bangalore, Karnataka. Initiated communication with government projects in Andaman Nicobar Island, Port Blair. About PCS Global Private Limited. PCS Global is a global information technology company which provides information technology services like software and networking that solves critical problems for clients. We specialize in helping clients secure their operations, increase the efficiency and utilization of their data centers, enhance support to their end users and constituents, and modernize their enterprise applications. One of the most reputed talent management company in India. For freshers, it is known as startup platform. Company was born to help social cause, create startup employment for freshers across the country with theme tagline inspiring youth minds. About PCS Global Private Limited. PCS Global has three major departments. The first one is software development. The second one is training department, that is corporate and retail training. Both are included in this department. The third one is technical resource outsourcing. That is, we send our resources, we train them, and we send them for interviews in other client companies also. The mission and vision of PCS Global Private Limited. Today I'm going to talk about the mission and vision of PCS Global Private Limited. At first, I need to talk about the mission of PCS Global. PCS Global started with mission to provide a startup career chance all the freshers as well as all the job seekers. The vision of us is to build up PCS Global as a strong software development company as well as most reputed talent management company from India to global. Presently, in 2022, PCS Global is planning to set up few branches across pan-India. We have already done it. Okay, PCS Global will start a talent management business globally in 5 constituents with 2022 in 2020 2023. That initiative is already has been taken. The domain we work. The first one is retail, banking and financial service, education, healthcare, transport management, travel and tourism, and hospitality. And another domains we work, that is data analytics, web development and IT services, INT consulting solution, information security, product development and website hosting. So area and technologies we work. PCS Global is known as hub of Java and data science. Full stack development Java and J2E, Spring Boot, Angular, React.js, Node.js. Data science using Python, Django, RW, machine learning, AI. Salesforce CRM Cloud. IoT with Raspberry Pi and Python, Arduino and C. Blockchain technology and applications with Hyperledger. Mobile app development and with Android, iOS and hybrid. Web development using WordPress, PHP and MySQL. Web development using ASP.NET. So career and benefits at PCS Global Private Limited. That is very important, that guys, because you guys need to know what is the career benefit you can get from PCS Global. So, at first, I need to tell you that selection will be strictly made based, and candidate will get scope to be trained for 2 to 6 months with full stack development, and finally, candidates will be interviewed by our client or internal payroll based upon skills. Initial training period, candidate designation will be trainee, intern, apprentice without respective training codes. If shortlisted by client, post training you will receive valuable employment document like offer letter, appointment letter. That is very important thing. You need to get that, because whenever you are going to join one company, that credential will be only your way to enter in a company. Because without any employment letter, offer letter, the freshers who are going to join any other company, they didn't get any option, guys. Whatever option they get, that is not their passion. They can't work in that profiles also. So I'm going to talk about it in my another slide also. Initially, we will obtain letter of trainee, intern, apprentice. Okay. So the PCS Global believes in working 24/7 mode. So suitable working shift, office will open 24/7 mode, morning, normal, evening, night. PCS Global support work from home, work from remote also. What is the career benefits at PCS Global Private Limited? What you will take away from PCS Global? PCS Global is the powerhouse that builds efficient IT resources since last 10 years. We build highly skilled resources for industry. Selection will be strictly made based only. Better opportunity, ambition to work with CMM level company will be fulfilled. Expertise with industry process of work with latest framework and technologies. So problem of job seekers that I have already told you, that is very interesting. I'm going to talk about is what is the problem of today's job seekers, because without knowing it, you can't grow in your life. So in IT companies always prefer ready resource that freshers. Mostly there are huge gaps in academics within the academic curriculum. The academics and the academic curriculum, both of them are not actually industry ready curriculum, what you have read in your colleges in your degree courses. Whenever you are going to join one company, that time you need a professional training. That training will be only based on that knowledge, that industry based knowledge, what is needed. Okay, so that professional training, that live training is very much needed. Fresher get frustrated month by month when they are not getting any job in any company and generates career gap in each month. Yes, that is the right thing. Whenever fresher started working and they tried to get job without knowing anything about industry and started roaming here and there by doing something, by giving interviews and by selected for another job roles that is not fit for their profile, that time they get frustration, and the gap month by month, whatever gap they got in their profile, that gave them a huge level of pain. Okay, so problem of job seekers one more time. In today's era of internet, skill development is possible by watching YouTube, online YouTube materials, by freshers need an identity tag with the company. Very true. Whenever you are working, if you are getting the knowledge from a YouTube channel, that knowledge is only for your skill development. But whenever you are going to join one company, that time you need a tag, that identity tag, that yes, I have worked in a company and I have a precise profile, job profile. Without that you can't join. Okay, so for that, whatever you are, whatever skill development you are doing by your side, that is your knowledge, you can do it, but that tag is very much important. It has been a trend in recent times that the BTech and MBA students of various colleges are getting jobs not related to their subject of study. Exactly what happens whenever they're going to give an interview, in spite of all degrees and all, but they always get the job profiles that is not at all fitted in their with their study. So from that time they get frustrated. Okay, so this leads to one type of frustration, whatever I have said. Among them, the situation is that they can't neither live nor stay. But whenever, sometimes we take a student loan to meet up the loan, to give that, sometimes there are the family pressure that we need to do something, and the time limit, there is a time foundation in that timing we need to work. So from that time we get that frustration. Whenever we join one job, for that all those circumstances we can't even leave that job, right? So the trend need to be seen very seriously. The job market due to COVID-19. India's unemployment has reached record high amid tough COVID-19 lockdown situation. Unemployment will be at least double of new entrants this year. It will be catastrophic. Freshers stared at the uncertain future of COVID-19 hit job market. On-campus and off-campus mode of selection going to hit drastically. Solution for job seekers in PCS Global Private Limited. From PCS Global Private Limited, what kind of solutions you can get? I'm going to talk about this about right now. Mid-level companies like PCS Global are the best place to begin your career. Specify as a developer. You will have a strong industry exposure with more ownership, better recognition. Learning in tense environment will make you more adaptable to working under pressure. You will get to work very closely with the founders, senior management, industry mentors. Your co-workers will be extremely hands-on and you will see a flat hierarchy with everybody contributing their best. So come and join PCS Global. Make PCS Global a better place to work and a second home for a fresher. So these are the recreational activities in PCS Global. We provide the Star of the Month award to outstanding candidates of PCS Global every month. Periodically, team building event. The dynamic and fun-loving work environment helps in building the team spirit among our employees. Associates celebrate their birthday, special occasions like Diwali, Vijayadashmi Utsav, New Year celebration. Office Half Yearly Festival happens in the month of September in each year. Office Annual Festival happens in the month of January in each year. Come and join PCS Global one more time, and I'm saying it, and make PCS Global a better place to and a better work environment for and the second home for freshers. These are the pictures of our recreational activities. That is the associate's birthday celebration. Okay, Saraswati Puja you can see. Okay, so this is the slide from where you can get the details about ourselves. Okay, there is one. We have one Facebook channel. We have one LinkedIn profile, so you can go and visit over there. And we have one YouTube channel also. Okay, in that channel link, this video is going to run. Okay, so you can visit over there. Kindly visit my channel and kindly see all the details about PCS Global. There are so many training sessions that are going on. There are so many technical videos. There are so many educational videos. You can go and motivational videos you can see. Okay, and you can get proper knowledge about PCS Global. What we are doing, we are holding your hands and we are giving you the chance to grow properly. So kindly hold our hands up and be a part of PCS Global. So this is for today's session, guys. Bye for now, and kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below.